Alright guys, welcome to the channel, Car Fix here, and look at what I'm picking up. 2000 and no, I'm just kidding. It's a 1962 CJ5, and this thing is all there except for the AC unit over here. But they have the transmission. He removed the engine, but I mean, this thing is solid. Little reduction right there, but check it out. It's all here. I'm gonna put on my trailer, and then I'm gonna bring back to my spot, and then we can talk a little bit more about it. I have no idea about Jeeps, but this is a 1962. Interesting. Very nice. Good old Harbor Freight. There she goes. Nice and easy because it's about nice. Alright, I'm gonna strap her down. Alright, she's all strapped up, ready to go. Nice little Jeep. Doing well back there. That's cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this Jeep yet, so you guys can comment down below. I'm thinking about putting it on eBay. Yep. I mean, the frame on this Jeep is nice. Let's go. Alright, so we back, so let's look a little bit in depth of what's going on here with this Jeep. So let's start over here in the back. The frame, guys, looks pretty good actually. We're gonna look a little bit in the front, but let's open this little door and see what's back here. Oh, okay. I guess these lock. There's your bar, your rollover bar, which is It's just like, just the paint is bad. That's about it. I guess this is where they had the tank. Not sure if this is factory, but not sure if there's anything in there. I don't think this is factory, but I don't know. You guys comment down below if this is factory or not. Got some type of bullet can. Trying to open this today. Trying to open it. What do we got? Nice. Oh. A little tight. It's okay. And some bolts. 3-way. A rock from 1962. Maybe. Some. I mean, that Dunkin' Donuts cup. 1962. Probably. This is a filler neck for gas? No. Some type of vacuum hose. This is the back. This stays pretty solid, man. Alright, let's go around the sides. This thing has, let's go look in the front. Let's go to the side over here. I mean, look at these doors. This is the only way. Yeah, this works. Okay, let's get in here. How many miles this thing has? Showing that it has 56,495 miles. Transmission obviously is loose because, as you can see right there, we have no engine. But we have the loose. There you go. Gotta turn. I mean. And here it goes. What's this? Light? I don't know. You guys comment down below, what is this? No idea. There it is. Inside. I mean, Flintstone style type of Jeep, which is okay. We need to go fast anyways. Alright. Stay there. Let's see what's going on under here. One side. The other side. Yeah. I mean, it's okay. Look at this hood, man. Everything's so solid. No major rust at all. We got the guy to make it cool over here. The radiator. Can we fit a 4.8 over here? LS. Can we, guys? With this, how it's leaning here. Is this leaning? I mean, yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yes, we can. There's the motor mounts right there. I guess we're gonna have to make some. Move this back to the position. Yeah, this is just sitting here. Yes. Okay, let's close this up. I don't know what to do with this yet, guys. 1962 Willys Jeep. But let's check out the frame. Ready? It starts over here. But look how solid this frame is. Look at that. It's just only surface rust, but that's not bad. Transmission's there. Even the differential's there. But look at that frame. Frame is solid. Maybe it used to be red. Original paint, maybe. This is the passenger side. Can we find anything in here? I mean, anything. Yeah. Let's go to the other side. This is how you take these cabs out. Yep. There's one right there. Yep. And then some screws here. Yep. We got the we got 4x4, 4x4, maybe. This is first, second, fourth, something like that. We're empty. That's okay. We got key. Oh, we got the key. Nice. Probably should save on this. Should save on that key. Okay. I mean, everything's solid. What do you guys think? What should I do with this? I have paperwork. Look at these doors. Can we just pick them up a little bit? Nah, probably not. This works. I mean, at all. Oh, it does. Nice. I mean, everything's here. How do I'll figure it out. I mean, it looks like, I think the fuel pump. Probably not. Probably not the fuel pump. But it looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. I mean, guys, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. What should I do with this thing?